Hey, if you found this video, you are looking for a way to make money online selling things. There are tons of options when it comes to what to sell online. There are physical products, digital products, and even information products. Even certain services pay commissions on sales made. There are pros and cons to all of them. Some more than others though. For instance, physical products have to be delivered to the buyer. Some countries don't have the infrastructure, so that can limit you. Or sometimes the products are sold out, so the customer can't get them when they want. Plus, there is a pretty big learning curve to know how to sell physical products successfully. A downside to digital or information products would be that information can be found anywhere online. So the solution would be to have high-in-demand, exclusive quality products that could pay you nice commissions. How could an extra $100 per week change your life? How about an extra $250? Or $500? Even $1,000? How about per day? Want to learn what the ultra-successful marketers online are selling? Click the link below and tell me where to send this powerful information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.